In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your out-of-office status in Asana. Whether you're planning to take a well-deserved vacation or need to step away from work for a while, setting your out-of-office status is an essential step to ensure your team is aware of your absence. This makes coordination smoother and minimizes any disruptions to the workflow. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. To start, you'll want to navigate to the top right corner of your Asana dashboard. Here, you'll find your profile icon. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to all personal settings and customizations related to your Asana account. In this list, you'll want to select Settings. It's the command center for your account preferences and personal settings. Once you're in the settings, you'll see several tabs designed to give you control over various aspects of your Asana experience. For our purpose today, direct your attention to the Profile tab. Go ahead and click on it. This area lets you personalize personal information, but among these options is where we'll set your out-of-office status. Now, within the Profile tab, you'll need to do a bit of scrolling to reach the bottom of the page. Don't worry, it's easy to locate what we're looking for. As you scroll down, keep an eye out for the option named Set Out of Office. You'll see a simple switch next to it. Right now, it should be set to off, but with a quick click, you can turn it on. And just like that, you're ready to specify the details of your absence. The next step involves setting the dates for your time away. You'll need to clearly define the first and last day of your out-of-office period. Input these dates carefully to ensure your status covers the entire time you'll be unavailable. Asana will automatically recognize these dates as the period you won't be accessible. Once your dates are set, it ensures your projects and teammates are aware of your unavailability. Having your out-of-office status set up does wonders for communication across your teams and projects within Asana. This way, anyone looking to get in touch will know not to expect immediate responses from you, allowing them to make plans accordingly. It's a seamless way to maintain transparency and keep everyone informed during your absence. And that's all it takes. Once you've got this set up, you can step away from your work with peace of mind, knowing that your colleagues are well aware and able to manage things in your absence. With just a few clicks, you're all set.